It's Easter Sunday morning, and the puppies just finished their breakfast. They're out for a little bit of run. They're playing here. There they are with their great Aunt Tag and their Aunt Bootsy playing. And there is their mother Lizzie. And the mother plays a very important part at this age. She helps teach the puppies how to play. She was just a minute ago, before I got the camera rolling, she was kind of teasing them and pouncing on them so that they would play. Anyway, this is a quick report on Easter Sunday morning. By the way, happy Easter to everyone who celebrates it. Hope you have a wonderful day. We have a very big day, and I won't be able to report on video for another day or two because it does take a little bit of time. We have a lot of editing that'll have to be done. But our tradition on Easter Sunday is to have an Easter egg hunt, and the hunters are the Cavaliers. So we will have a video that'll be going up, which will have our Cavaliers hunting for the Easter eggs that have been hidden. And there will be a puppy division, so that we'll see how our puppy egg hunters in training will do. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, I know. Good girl, Tag. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Hello, my baby. There's this baby Etta. So this is one of the last days they're going to be with us. Once again, Etta, Maisie, Simon, and Jamba's out there someplace. I don't know where he went. So meanwhile, hope you have a wonderful day. Happy Easter. And watch for the Easter Egg Hunt 2021 video coming soon to a computer near you.